Okay guys, so let's see what the market wants to do today. Today is FOMC, so I try not to take any trade today, but if everything lines up for me, I would like to take the trade. I still do expect BTC to hit 18,000 at the minimum before any significant drop. So yes, I'm still interested in buying the dip. Alright guys, so we all know FOMCs today, and Fed is expected to cut rate. To be honest, I don't really know much about those kind of traditional markets, so I already have to depend on what the price action is showing on Bitcoin. So at the moment, this red boss is my target for a potential short trade and a potential reversal on BTC. So I'm just going to be patient for my target to be hit. So absolutely no reason for me to look for short for now. Maybe if you have to look for short, it's going to be quick scalp. So I do take a long trade on few coins. I took a long trade on this coin called AVNT. I'm on a long trade. Actually, I'm on a long trade in two tokens. So I'm going to take you guys through the long trade I took. So if you look at this one, this is AVNT, which I've run. Let's see, 800s in 4 days. 8s in 4 days. That's massive. But what I'm interested in, we are coming down towards this support zone. This is our support zone. So we are coming down on this support zone, and what gave me the trigger for this long trade is the fact that we took out yesterday low. So if you look at this, let me mark this green, sorry, so if you look at this low here, this low here, that was yesterday's low, and we attempt to make an impulse move up and got a rejection. But I'm more interested in the fact that if you look at the rejection is coming off of this trend line. It's coming from this trend line. That's why I had a rejection. But my entry trigger is SFP of this low. I can already see that this coin is already on impulse move up. So what we need to wait for is a retest, a pullback to look for our entry to buy the dip on the coin. Is already bullish, so the coin is already strong and bullish. So we are looking for an entry. And yesterday I do take a long yesterday on this first touch. I closed it a little bit when we did a rejection here. I decided to close it, but I'm happy to buy again and hold it until the new all-time high. So it might actually keep going, but that is my first target, because this move from this level, from here to here, they are all consolidation of this impulse. So we have this consolidation straight into support. Is an easy long trade for me, so I took the long, and target is going to be this previous all-time high for this one. Another trade I took is this coin called STBL. Is a new token that was added on Bybit today, and the token was launched yesterday. The founder of the token is also the founder of Theta, which is a USDT. So I believe is a very good token to buy, and the fact that we are still early, and majority of the people are actually scared of buying any token now, because everybody is waiting for Fed rate cut news to drop first before they decide to buy any token, because they assume market is going to dump, or that will market manipulation and all of that stuff. But the way I'm seeing this one is the fact that is still a new token, and the majority of the people are not in on it yet. It was launched less than 24 hours ago, so majority of people are not in on it yet. So I think it's going to be a good buying opportunity to, maybe not like you buy everything at once, but you can actually start to this year at this particular price. Let's say you wanted to invest 1,000 on it, you can just buy 500 now, and if we do get a drop, that will be a good chance for you to add to your already holding long. So yeah, that is the two token I'm holding. I do have another token I'm holding, which is World Liberty Finance. I'm still holding World Liberty Finance. This one, my entry is below 0.2 at this particular week. That was my entry. This particular week was my entry, and probably stay up around 10%, but actually I see this as a swing trade, so I really have no intention of closing it now. I do believe it's a swing trade, because the dip we had on World Liberty Finance token was actually from the pre-sale buyers, and my initial thought is the pre-sale buyers are going to sell to take profit, but how long will the sell pressure going to be on the chart? So the way I'm seeing it is some people are going to sell the token immediately when they withdraw their pre-sale token, and then some is going to try to hold it a little bit to see if it's going to go up. But I do think after 1 week or 2 weeks, the sell pressure from pre-sale is going to drop, and there will be a limited pressure for it to drop to the downside. The pressure to the downside is going to reduce compared to the pressure to the upside. Initially when they launch it, the pressure to the downside is very high because of the people that bought resale want to sell. But what happened when they finish selling all their tokens? You will find out that there will be no more sell orders in the order book anymore as we used to. So what is going to happen is the buy pressure will start kicking in, and you can see during all this drawdown during the weekend, last weekend we had a BTC drop, and on Monday, Tuesday we had a drop that also affected many altcoins. But if you look at this token, World Liberty Finance, you can see that it has only dropped for 10%. Why? If you check other token have already dropped 30%, 40, 50%. So you see it's holding strongly, and I do think this below 0.2 was the last chance to buy World Liberty Finance, unless there is a big nuke on BTC. I expect this to start pushing up to the previous all-time high. So I do think we are not actually seeing any move in the market at this moment, because everyone is waiting for the news about Federal Court to clear first before people start making investments. All I think will happen is, since we have been seeing a drop for the past 3 days now, it already means that everybody is scared, selling their token. They're already scared, and market does not drop on scared or when people are scared. Market drop when people are confident that market will go up. So now everybody is scared that market is going to drop, Fed interest rate cut and all of that stuff. I don't think we are going to actually get a pump instead, but how that is going to play out is what I don't know yet. We're probably going to see a drop first, then a rise. Maybe this might do something like this, come down here, retest, break up, so break up to all-time high. So the only thing now is we need to wait and see the price action on BTC. On my previous video, I do show you my long-term analysis on BTC, and if you look at what we have here, stock market has been making a new all-time high. So it's only Bitcoin that haven't been making a new all-time high, while stock market has been pumping. So we will see. One thing with cryptocurrency is the fact that they like to delay the pump, because everybody, they know that majority of people in crypto they lack patience. So market manipulators like to delay the pump first. By then everybody have already been trapped for the fact that we are going up, we're going to the moon and all of that stuff. So what happened is the market start to drop. It dropped, those people, it trigger fear in those people, and they have to close their holding or their positions, and some of them might even get liquidated. So the crypto market is more of a game. It's a game. So if you know how to play game, if you're a gamer, you should be able to succeed in crypto market, because it's all about game. everybody, the market manipulators want to take money from you. They don't want you to win. They don't want you to win. So you have to always see it that way. If everyone is expecting market to drop, there won't be money for market makers to make. So what do? They pump the market instead. So if you look at this BTC chart, you can see we are still making a move up. So there's really nothing to worry about. But one thing I can notice here on this BTC chart now is there is an area of interest that we left open that have not been retested, and that is also lining up with our value area low of our range, volume range 2. So if you look at this level, if you look at this level, we had first support, resistance, second resistance, third, fourth. We break above it here and get a retest. But this retest we had here is a retest that happened for lower time frame traders. So it's not really like it's not a major retest for swing traders. So what I'm expecting to happen in now is the market is still going to come down to retest this level after some days or maybe weeks. The reason that is going to take days and weeks for market to come down to retest that level is because if it takes us days and weeks to retest that support, it's going to trigger a strong buy pressure from swing traders and people that like to buy for long term. I do believe this level is going to be retested. That is 13,000 to 13,000, and if we lose that 13,000, then the next level you should be looking for is this previous low at 107,000. For now, this is our support. 13,000, 113,000 Bitcoin is our support now. Very strong support, but on this uptrend, I can see more like a wedge or pattern that is forming inside this range. So if you look here, the pump started from here, we rise to this resistance, correct here. This is the second one, but we haven't really touched this. We haven't really made a second touch on that resistance. We got a retest on this support. So what I'm expecting is that we are going to actually see another rise to this level at minimum. When we got a pump to this level, is could that's where we could actually see a rejection, to be honest, because it's a very big resistance. So but if we are able to break it, we do still have one more resistance, which is coming at 120,000 value area high. We also have the weekly very close to around that level, and also weekly MPOs is also sitting around that level. So I would basically say this level is a very strong resistance from 120 to 118k is a very strong resistance for Bitcoin to break. So I really think we are going to see a rejection from one of those levels. So you need to be very cautious when we get a rise to this level. Right now we are still seeing a drop. And pull back on BTC because of the federal interest rate cut. So everybody is scared. They are closing their positions. Let me see. Stock market is dropping. You see Bitcoin dominance look like you want to pull back. So just going to be patient and wait for the market. If you look at the total trade, which is the total of cryptocurrency market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, we can see that altcoins had a breakout and they are retesting that breakout. This was the first resistance, second resistance, third resistance. We break above it, retest, we are retesting it. So that is to show you that there is more there is a upside on altcoins at this moment. The total trade is currently retesting the resistance, flip into support. So maybe we could actually get a little bit of drop to retrace deeper into the resistance around here before we rise. So that is something to keep in mind. But if you really do not mind or what price you buy, you should just the ones that interest you should just start to this year into those coins, because we really cannot say what at what time we are going to bounce from this support, but we do know that this is a support level. And market trade above it and is retesting that support. So that is showing you altcoins are going to explode and outperform BTC. At the moment, I can see BTC dominance rise to this level, and now we are seeing a rejection today. So let's see if this continues to pull down. That means this is going to start going up. Let me see Ethereum versus BTC chart though. Ethereum BTC chart is nothing really much on Ethereum for now. So let's see how this plays out today. There is nothing much to talk about the market, so I'm going to relax and watch and see what happens. I really don't want to go and start looking for what coins to trade and all of that stuff, so I want to give it a little bit of time and at least wait for US Open first. US Open is already time. It opened 20 minutes ago. Yeah, nothing really serious. I'm just going to chill and watch the market. So see, stock market is dropping. Does that mean Bitcoin is going to drop very soon? Let's see.
I know I have good judgment. I know It's funny and it's ironic that only I feel that way. I promise I'm that you're different, and everyone makes mistakes, but just don't. I heard that you're an actor, so act like a stand-up guy. Whatever devil's inside you, don't let him out tonight. I tell them it's just your culture, and everyone rolls their eyes. Yeah, I know. All I'm asking, baby, please, 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 don't prove I'm right. Please, 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 don't bring me to tears when I just did my makeup so nice. Heartbreak is one thing, my ego's another. I beg you don't embarrass me, motherfucker. Please, please, please. Have a fun idea, babe. Maybe just stay inside. I know you're craving some fresh air, but the ceiling fan is so nice, and we could live so happily if no one knows that you're with me. I'm just kidding, but really, 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 please, 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 don't prove I'm right. Please, 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 don't bring me to tears when I just did my makeup so nice. Heartbreak is one thing, my ego's another. I beg you don't embarrass me, motherfucker. Please, please, please. If you wanna go and be stupid, don't do it in front of me. If you don't wanna cry to my music, don't make me hate you horrifically. Please, 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 please,
Something's got a hold on me lately, though I don't know myself anymore. Feels like the walls are all closing in, and the devil's knocking at my door. Whoa, out of my mind, how many times did I tell you I'm no good at being alone? Yeah, it's taking a toll on me, trying my best to keep from tearing the skin off my bones. Don't you know I lose control when you're not next to me? I'm falling apart right in front of you. Can't you see? I lose control when you're not next to me. Yeah, you're breaking my heart, baby. You make a mess of me. Problematic. Problem is I want your body like a fiend, like a bad habit. Bad habits hard to break when I'm with you. Yeah, I know I can do it on my own, but I want that real full moon, black magic, and it takes two. Problematic. you're breaking my heart, baby. You never mess on me. I lose control when you're not here with me. I'm falling apart right in front of you. Can't you
I was a ghost, I was alone. 두어진 길 속에 given the throne, I didn't know how to believe I was the queen that I'm meant to be. I lived two lives, tried to pick both sides, but I couldn't find my own place. Call it public child, could have got too wild, but now that's how I'm getting paid. Put up to your stage, I'm done hiding now. I'm shining like I'm gonna be. We dreaming hard, we came so far now. I believe we're going up, up, up. It's our moment. You know together we're going. Gonna be going up, up, up with our voices. Going to get us so often. Gonna be going. I'm not hiding now. I'm shining like I'm gonna be. One time, no fears, no lies. That's who we're gonna be. Waited so long to break these walls down, to wake up and feel like me. Put these patterns all in the past now, and finally live like the girl they all see. No more hiding, I'll be shining like I'm born to be. 'Cause we are hunters, voices strong and I know I believe we're going up, up, it's our moment. You know together we're going. Gonna be going. Up, up with our voices. Going to get us so often. Gonna be going.
They say the holy water's watered down, and this town's lost its faith. Our colors will fade eventually, so if our time is running out, day after day, We'll make the mundane a masterpiece. Oh my love. I take one look at you, you're taking me out of the ordinary. I want you laying me down to the dead and buried. On the edge of your knife, staying drunk on the ride. The angels up in the clouds are jealous, know what we found. So this world will be ordinary. You got me kissing the ground with a sanctuary. Trying to be with you, touch. Will Lord return me to dust? The angels up in the clouds are jealous, know what we found. Hopeless, hallelujah. On this side of heaven's gate. Oh, my life, how do you breathe in, take my breath away? Water away with the smoke on the clay. Oh, my, you're taking me out of the ordinary. I want you laying me down so we're dead and buried. On the edge of your night, staying drunk on your body. The angels up in the clouds are jealous, know what we found. So this world, ordinary. You got me kissing the ground, sanctuary. Trying to be with you, touch. Lord, return me to dust. The angels up in the clouds are jealous, know what we found. So it's so heavenly, higher next to the sea, never you're next to me. Oh my, what was in black and white until I saw your light? I thought you had to die to find something so out of the ordinary. Oh, you laying me down to your dead and buried. On the edge of your mind, staying drunk on your ride. The angels up in the clouds are jealous, know what we found. So it's so out of the ordinary. You got me kissing the ground, sanctuary. Trying to be with you, touch. Lord, return me to dust. The angels up in the clouds are jealous, know what we found.
I just woke up from a dream where you and I had to say goodbye. And I don't know what it all means, but since I survived, I realized wherever you go, that's where I'll follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow, so I'ma love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. If the party was over and our time on earth was through, I wanna hold you just for a while and die with
be next to you. I want you to stay till I'm in the grave, till I ride away. but I'm still counting down all of the days till you're just another girl on the subway. She's got away. She's got away. She's got away. She got away. She got away. She got away. She's got away. She's got away. She's got away. She got away. She got away. She got away. She's got away. She's got away. She's got away. She got away. She got away. She got away.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
She said you don't want this heart, boy, it's already broke. Told me everything she touched just goes up in smoke. Only stay a couple nights, then she gon' be gone. I said, baby, you should know that's what I want. 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 What I want. You ain't gotta worry about no trust issues with me. I got 'em.
There is nothing happening in the market now, guys, so
You ain't gotta worry about no
everyone is waiting for the FOMC. Stock market is dropping today.
You ain't gonna hurt me tonight. It won't be the worst thing if this is all it is. And in the middle of a kiss, she said, you don't want this heart, boy, it's already broke. Told me everything she touched just goes up in smoke.
It was
Nights, then she gon' be gone. I said, baby, you should know that's what I want. That's what I want.
I initially wanted to took long on MYS, but I wasn't really sure about it. I wanted to take a long from here. Should have been all 50% by now. Then I was looking for short on this SFP, but I didn't take it. Oh, it's coming down. There might be chance that this is the top for MNT. It's actually a good short opportunity, but I didn't short it simply because the higher low we formed there is still holding, so I wasn't really sure if that would be a good short opportunity. I need to watch this, even though the good long is going to be on this low. To be honest, if patience enough, this is where you need to buy. because if we are going to continue the impulse move up, we need to hold that low, otherwise we're going to see a drop to this previous consolidation level.
For a while there it was rough, but lately I've been doing better than the last 4 cold Decembers I recall.
Yeah, anchored VWAP supports as well, so
Every month I found a girl my pet
this is a good long opportunity on the MNT.
think I might have
So I will set my alert and wait for
God every day.
market to drop to this level.
My way, but I know the things he gives me, he can take away. And I hold you every night. Something I wanna get used to, but there's no man as terrified as the man who stands to lose you.
Is it time for Fomc to dump?
If I don't lose you,
Is it time? Well, I do think there's some sell pressure coming in on Fomc though,
need you hold God.
but we haven't lost any support, so it's still fine. We haven't lost any support, but you can see we are now forming a lower high on the price action. So lower high is now forming on the price action. Now you can see lower high of this previous high, then locally we are forming lower high, and even now another lower high. So for me, I do think there are chances of this going down. Your risk to reward is very is okay, not really that big. Well, it's a good shot when you think about losing this level is going to drop. That means you're going to expect a drop to this level, or at minimum the 16%. For this one, for this load, I would like to take it from here in case we had the SFP of that load, because Fomc is really very bullish with a lot of interest from investors. So even if we get a drop, a lot of people are going to buy this support here. Another shot is to maybe wait. If we lose that level, if we lose this, you can see there is no support on this impulse move up here. So can I try getting on a short at the loss of this level and take profit? One is going to be this, and take profit 2, maybe SFP of this low, or any of this. Well,
If I'm gonna say that you were wrong, push yourself and grow higher. Not to say that I am on my mind.
I think this is going to hold our support, to be honest, because of I know how strong Fomc is. So any support, and if you drop to support, people are likely to bid very hard. So that is a good support level. Another level is maybe taking out any of these lows, this and this one. So yeah, Fomc is currently showing a sign of a potential drop soon. So let's see. 1-to-1 extension. 1-6. Do we have any support on this uptrend though? Let me see. We have this. We have this one. Nothing confirmed yet on the trend line support, so I'm going to delete it and let's see if we have any other thing here. Bitcoin dropping. I was actually looking for short on this one, but I didn't. I ended up not taking the shot. Lower highs, so it's a good shot buy with very small risks to the wall, but I didn't take it. Okay guys, other than those coins I listed, I bought, I haven't really bought anything, but I missed couple of short opportunities, but that's okay. I could have shorted this one, Zola and MNT here. We'll see. I will try not to force any trade and see how the market is. Pump form might be time for it to come down a little bit, pull back, and then continue up. I'm still holding AVNT and STBL. Those are the only coins I'm holding. I don't think we are going to see a very big volatility in crypto very soon. Either pump and dump, or we'll see movement on either way, but I think we are going to see big move very soon. Okay guys, this is where I'm closing this live stream, and basically my thought on BTC is a move to the upside. A move to the upside. We just retested the monthly level now. My thought on crypto is on Bitcoin is a move to the upside to 18,000 at minimum, or 120,000. So we do have a big resistance bit from 18,000, sorry, from 17,900 to 120k. So you need to keep an eye on those levels, because if you are going to see a big drop, it's going to be from this level. So we are still on impulse move up, yeah, higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows. So nothing has been lost for me to free bearish. Everything is still showing that we are going to push higher. So everything is still suggesting higher, so there's no reason to be bearish at this moment.
The category is
so guys, that is it all from me today, and let's see how the market goes. I've showed you guys a couple of long trade I'm holding, and what I'm expecting on BTC. So just have to relax now and chill and watch the market do its thing, and we will take it from there. So guys, thank you for being here with me, and I hope to see you soon. Cheers, goodbye, talk to you soon. Yeah.